Yeah, I'm trying to make sure if I just stick it anywhere. No, that's all. Because they were already labeled and you have like a little cursor up there. So if there are any additional, like the orange one I see, I'm just trying to make sure.
Yeah, we didn't have
The orange
was not connected to anything.
Yeah,
no,
on the old thermostat either.
So it wasn't connected to anything.
The orange was not connected, and the brown was not connected to the old thermostat. So the only was the yellow,
So
white,
everything
red,
else was
blue, and green were connected to the old thermostat.
And the way you have them labeled is according to the Google labels, right?
Right, that's the one I was on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so say
Because
everything.
we had tried hooking it up and the C-wire power just wasn't coming through.
Alright, so white is white. OB is blue.
I think blue was common, I think, before. So blue was common. OB, I think, was black.
Which it was. That's how we had it. That's when we used the app to set it up. It had black as OB.
Can you go on that real quick and see if it shows that?
Blue was common. I mean, I think on the old one, blue was common. Red was your power.
Right.
Yellow was to your air conditioner compressor. White was the heat. And then green is your ground. You know, we hooked it up. I hooked it up, and he's just not getting any power from there's not communication from the thermostat to the thing, to the unit. So I don't know why. I mean, whether a fuse blew in the unit, and that's why it's not. But I'm thinking a fuse blew up there where it's not communicating with the. Because neither thermostat will relay to the heater to tell it to go on, which tells me that for some reason the thermostat's not throwing power. It's not connected to the heater.
That's why she didn't want to eat.
Which the only thing I can think of is maybe a fuse blew up there where it needs to be replaced.
Sorry, can I get through upstairs?
I'm trying to hope that's not the case.
Because he got an E298 error on his Nest, which says there's no power going to it.
And that was with the power cable being connected here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we felt like it was fine. Yeah, with the red wire connected, yes.
I just want to see where the blue one goes.
But common is supposed.
The black one, excuse me.
Yeah, I think that was OB on the other one.
So this one wasn't grounded. That's the black one that's here.
But OB shouldn't matter. I mean, isn't OB like a backup or?
It depends on if you have gas, I believe.
PS gas.
Gas. So that's what it says.
Orange to OB.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Now whether that's
Excuse me again, sorry.
You're fine.
which orange was I mean you can tell orange was never used because it's never been bitten.
Also keep her.
orange.
Instead of black, which that makes no sense to me.
That's why I was trying to go by the booklet. I usually try to label them, go by the label. Label shows me exactly which ones would be needed, which ones aren't. I switch it out from that way and go in. So now it's one of these three should give you power to that device up there. But
right,
that's what we're trying now.
But it's hard to tell. Even when you took the panel of the furnace up there, the way they hooked this furnace up, it's you have your two thermostat wires coming up. One's going obviously to the compressor, and one's going to your heater. But there's brown to common, and then you have brown to common. Then you have he has a 24-volt power system up there. It's the way they splice it together up there is really hard to tell which one goes from where. I don't understand why brown upstairs is going to common, which is C.
Okay. Can I see the thermostat?
Yeah.
Did they give you guys an outer layer that goes with it as well, or no?
No, they didn't. No, they didn't give the plate.
Which is weird.
That's an extra.
You can get one of those, I'm sure it just covers up the